Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build your language journey with Busuu step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Busuu website or downloading the app from your preferred app store. Create a free account by providing your email address or linking a social media account. Once registered, select the language you wish to learn from the available options. Indicate your current proficiency level, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner. Take a moment to explore the platform's features, such as interactive courses, grammar exercises, and vocabulary tools. Set clear and achievable language goals to guide your learning journey. Utilize the personalized study plan that adapts to your goals and available time. Engage in daily practice by dedicating a specific amount of time each day to the platform. Participate in community interactions where you can practice with native speakers through conversations and feedback. Take advantage of the offline mode to continue learning even when you don't have internet access. Track your progress regularly to see how far you've come and adjust your strategy as needed. Explore additional resources like flashcards and language games to reinforce your learning. Join group classes or language exchange sessions to enhance your speaking skills and confidence. Stay motivated by celebrating your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Continuously challenge yourself by tackling more complex topics as your skills improve. Remember, consistency is key in building your language journey with Busuu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.